How to make a conference call on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a conference call on WhatsApp. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your device and you'll be taken to the chats menu. From here, you can search for the contact you want to call by tapping the search icon and typing in their name. Alternatively, you can open the chat and tap the call button at the top right corner. Another option is to navigate to the calls tab and tap the call button at the bottom right corner. And to make a group call, select a new group call and pick multiple contacts to start your conference call. And if you prefer, you can call one contact first, and once they answer, you can tap the Add Contact button at the top right corner and choose Additional Participant to add the call. And once they join, they will automatically become the part of the conference call. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.